Hey guys,
Hey everybody,
Mark Gaudet here and Wayne Moland.
Wayne Moland.
Listen, we wanted to make a quick video for you guys because Wayne and I were out today. It's Friday and a lot of stuff's been happening for us. A lot of stuff's been manifesting. And something that really was key for us is we were just outside sitting on the grass just now. And we were, doing a few deep breaths, meditating a little bit, appreciating everything that was around us, and we were blessed with more of life's beauty. A bunch of kids came out from, I guess they were doing a school trip, and they just started playing right in front of us, and we were able to notice and appreciate those simple things in our life, those simple things that can add to the quality of your day. And I'm gonna let Wayne talk a little bit about what just happened.
Well, it was funny because we were sitting here and the kids all came around us and they started to ask us a bunch of questions. So we started to tell them stuff. We gave them some guidance, some direction on things. And we actually even spoke to their teachers. And turns out we're going to be going to their class and teaching these kids about meditation. So because of the frequency that we're on and because of the energy that we are on, that we are aligning ourselves in right now, all these type of things are going to start to come our way and to start happening. We're going to be able to advocate meditation into the educational system, not only here, but globally. It's going to be everywhere, where children are going to learn how to meditate, learn how to connect to nature. And I tell you right now, that will change the world tremendously. And another thing that we wanted to get out there today, to portray to you today, was get outside, get out there, feel nature, connect to nature, eat healthy. Mother Earth provides everything that we need, right? The rest is all just a fabrication, right? Doesn't mean anything. It's just gonna hurt you rather than help you. So stick with Mother Nature. You can never go wrong, ever.
Guys, we love you. We want to see you guys get out there, enjoy your Friday, enjoy the simple little things that add quality to your life, because when you feel good, you're going to go and impact and influence other people and make them feel good, and they're going to spread that ripple effect and go do the same to other people. So start with those small things, something as simple as kids playing, something as simple as the sun's rays getting on your skin and just enjoying a nice deep breath, something as simple as going for a walk by the water. Guys, we love you. It's Friday. Enjoy your weekend, and we look forward to speaking to you all soon. Have a great day.
One love to all that is, and don't forget to shine like the star you are.
That's right. One love.
Peace.
Peace.